Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if your screenshot is not opening and not saving in this location on your system user location inside the pictures and then a screenshot. So this video is for you. I will show you how to quickly fix this issue with the help of two steps. Now first step is open your this PC, C drive, then your user folders and look for your user now. And once you see your user, just click on the options pictures, and here you will see screenshot options. Here just right click on your screenshot folder and then go to its properties, open the location, and here you will see the different location. Here just click on restore default, and once you see the restore default, the location will be set accordingly. Here just click on yes, again click on yes, and now the screenshot folder will be created here and all the screenshot will be saved here like this. But if this step is not working on your Windows, step number 2, open registry editor as administrator, and basically you need to locate this location here. Just you can copy and paste this location simply. I will link this into my description box so that you can directly copy and paste here like this. Press enter key, and once you see the user shell folders here, you need to create a value here. Simply copy this one from here and then right click new and string value. Now rename it to the, you can paste it simply here and then click anywhere on it, and if it is already exist in my system, okay, so that is the reason it is not letting me create it. So I will just let's say this is the one which you have created here. As you can see here, I have the same value here, 6F. So this is the 6F, it is already created. Now once you see this 6F which you have created recently, I double click on this 6F is this one, and its location should be here like this, percentage user profile percentage backslash picture backslash screenshot, which I already mentioned here. This should be like this, and then save it and then click on OK. If it is already present here, then you should not create another key value here, just make sure it is present here. And that's all. Simply restart your Windows and its path is here, profile, picture and a screenshot, and thereafter it will be saved into your pictures folder here simply inside this. This is the path here, you can see same path you need to navigate, which I already told you. So restart your PC guys, and I'm pretty sure your issue should be fixed. So that's all for this video, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.